Hello everyone. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to create an organizational chart using Google Sheets. This is a simple yet powerful tool to visualize your team's structure or company hierarchy. Whether you're managing a small business or organizing a project team, an org chart can help keep everything in order. Let's get started. First things first, open up a new Google Sheet. If you don't have Google Sheets, you can access it through your Google account by navigating to sheets.google.com. Once you're in, you'll see a blank spreadsheet. We're going to set up our chart by creating two specific columns. In the first column, labeled A, we're going to list all the employees or roles. In the second column, labeled B, we'll list who each person reports to. This will establish the hierarchy. So, for example, if you have a CEO, managers, and interns, you will list each person in column A, and in column B, you will list their immediate supervisor. I'll go ahead and type in some sample data, the CEO in A1, then manager 1 in A2, and I'll put CEO in B2 to show that manager 1 reports to the CEO. Follow the same method for the rest of your team members. Once you've filled in all your data, the next step is to highlight both columns, A and B, with all the information. Simply click and drag to select the data. Make sure you include all the names and their reporting structure. This is crucial for creating the org chart correctly. With the data highlighted, go to the top menu and click on Insert, then select Chart. This opens up a chart editor on the right side of your Google Sheets. Google Sheets might automatically select a different type of chart, but don't worry, we're going to change it to an org chart. In the chart editor, look for the chart type options. Scroll down to the other section, and here you will see org chart. Click on that option, and voila! Your organizational chart appears on the sheet. Google Sheets automatically arranges it based on the data you entered. Now, you can adjust the size of the chart to fit your sheet better. Click and drag the edges of the chart to resize it. You can also move the chart around by clicking and dragging it to a new location within your Google Sheet. This flexibility helps you place the chart wherever it makes the most sense for your document. One of the great features of using Google Sheets for your org chart is that it updates in real time. If you need to print or share your chart, you can use the File menu to download or print it directly from Google Sheets. And that's it. You now know how to create an organizational chart in Google Sheets quickly and easily. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more tech tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.